Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're coming back, 20 hours from after I record and, post this video, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Overall, though, since about 24 hours ago when I did the last video, everything is looking very, very good. Now, I realize it's not like the price exploded upwards any further, but the big, dynamic that occurred was the price just maintained the gains that it had made. I'm sure you've seen, depending on how long you've traded, but if you've traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen something where a price makes a great move up, and then all of a sudden within, a matter of a couple hours or a couple days, the price is essentially right back to where it started. But that was not the case here. Again, sure, was it exciting in the sense of the price exploding upwards? No, but was the price, did it maintain and go just simply sideways at a much higher level than where it was, not too long ago down around here? Yeah, it did. And that's what I mean by a good overall, past 24 hours. So how do you kind of continue to measure that health going forward? Well, quote unquote health being defined as, and this is, where those questions come in. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours, from now, and big question is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line? Right around 40.40, we'll call it. As long as the price is up above 40.40, then the healthy consolidation continues, and there's no doubt about it. So sure, the price could pull back a little bit from where it's at right now, but as long as it does stay above 40.40, then again, as far as I'm concerned, that would still qualify as a healthy consolidation. Now, if you're answering that question 20 hours from now that the price is down below 40.40, at that point you would want to make sure that the price is not down below that pink line, which on my chart is denoting the 200 period. And that's down there right around 39.80. If somehow you're answering the question 20 hours from now that the price is now down 39.80, all that's telling you is that this whole move here has totally fallen apart. And, if the price has gone back down there, then yeah, in technical jargon, in trading terminology, this would just have been known as a dead cat bounce. But I'd be pretty shocked if you're answering the question that the price is down below 39.80. Now, on the flip side of things, just some good old-fashioned common sense and gut instincts here. If you're answering the price is still up above, that purple line, the 50 period, and, the price is right there, don't get me wrong, that's good. Healthy consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is way up there, well, that's telling you that, okay, not only has this, been a healthy consolidation, there's now a new breakout underway. So, like I said, common sense, gut instincts goes into that a little bit more, but, that's going to be kind of how you measure everything going forward. But, the moral of the story here is that as long as the price is still up above 40.40 whenever you're watching this, that implies that Bitcoin, at minimum, is going through a very healthy consolidation. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.